Hey everyone, so we're here again to really show you how much money you can save on landscaping, primarily landscaping repairs. Now of course most of our yards here in the desert are fairly low maintenance, consisting of just a few bushes, a couple of trees, and a basic irrigation system to keep it all alive. Now if for those of you who are not very familiar with the desert life, the desert landscaping, it's fairly easy to maintain it. Having to hire a landscaper can actually cost you more than it really needs to. So we're going to go inside, we're going to take a look at some of these basic items for your landscaping, and you'll see how much you can save by doing some of these things yourself. So let's go inside. So here we are in the landscaping section where you're going to find sprinkler clocks, sprinkler heads, bubblers for your landscaping. So let's take a look at a few of these items and see which ones you're going to need in order to take care of some of these basic repairs, these cost-saving repairs yourself. So let's start with bubbler heads, specifically adjustable bubbler heads, which are really my favorite to use. And the reason being is, one, they are adjustable. You can control the water flow through them, and also it's easy to clean them. These bubbler heads here are easy to put on. They simply pop in and pop out of the 1/4-inch tubing that comes out right next to trees and plants that you have in your yard. So they're really easy to use. Now there are other options for your bubbler heads that you can pick and choose from that have a different gallon per hour rating. You can pick any one of these that you want. The adjustable ones, the advantage is you can adjust it depending on the season and how much water you want to the bushes.
How about sprinklers if you have grass?
So now the first thing to do is to actually choose the appropriate sprinkler head that you're going to go ahead and need. So as you can tell, there's a lot of them. But it's usually pretty simple to figure out which one you're going to need. It's all based on where the sprinkler head that you're looking to replace is located at in your grass. Is it in the corner? Is it somewhere in the side or the middle of the yard? How is it spraying? And that's based on the degrees that the water is going to come out of the sprinkler head. So for example, with this sprinkler head, we're looking at 180 degrees. And you can tell that by looking at these markings here, from this point to this point. And that's going to give you the direction that the water is going to go. So if that's, of course, the angle that you need, if that's the way the sprinkler head that you're looking to replace has been spraying, then this would be the sprinkler head for you. If it's smaller, perhaps somewhere in the corner, and it's only going to spray 90 degrees, then you want to find the one that only has the markings perhaps up to half of this at the 90-degree mark. And then, of course, you know that you have the right sprinkler head. So how do you put one of these in? Well, before you call a landscaper, let me show you something really simple. Now when you see a sprinkler head, this is usually the portion that you're only looking at. The grass is usually coming up to about right here. Now beneath the grass, what you don't see is the sprinkler head hooking up to the PVC pipe that's below it. And the way it's installed is really basic. It simply screws on to a pipe that's right beneath it. So all you really have to do is unscrew this. And you can, of course, just grab it by the top when you see it. And it unscrews. And that's it. It's as simple as that.
Now, of course, to put a sprinkler head back in after it's been removed, simply, do the opposite. Line up the sprinkler head over the threads and begin to screw it into the right. Now, of course, it would be helpful if I had my 2 hands available to do that. There we go. It's that simple.
So I hope that this little tutorial has helped you to see how basic certain repairs can be and how much money they can save you, especially for those who are new to having a yard, to having grass, and having to maintain it. If you like this video, please give us a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel for additional helpful videos. Thanks for watching.